going on, guys? We're here in Vegas right now, a few hours away from the hometown, here to go to the Bass Pro, here to pick. I really need just a new motor for as much fishing as I do, as often as I do. I can't keep doing this whole thing, like going through Craigslist or going through the marketplace and buying these $400 and $500 motors here and there, and then expecting them to last a long time. So I'm gonna straight up go and pay cash and get this brand new Merc, and finally I'll have something with a warranty, something that's gonna be brand new. This is their Bass Tracker Classic. This is it right here. You can order these. Sign right here?
Yes, no. You'll sign. Yep, you'll sign at the bottom.
In the platinum. All right, so that went pretty smooth. So now I just gotta go and meet him at the service center to stick that thing in my trunk, and we'll be good to go.
How you doing?
How are you?
Cool, Bess. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'll get it off.
Alright, and it's, you know, you're not going to get much better than that.
No, it's
somewhere in there, do not overfill this.
noted.
You will blow seals, you will...
Oh, I definitely don't want to be doing that. And what's the specific oil you recommend for this motor?
25W40.
25W40 Marine?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Quick 25W40, ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
for this 25 horsepower Merc.
That is it. And this cap...
Look at it, so shiny. There's the actual oil filter there, like a car oil filter.
It is.
That's epic. You could just change that right out. That's epic.
After you run this for at least 20 hours, either bring it in or do the oil change yourself.
Okay.
Doing the impeller every 2 to 3 years. 100 hours after you break in, you're gonna do every 100 hours or at least annually.
Figure out a way to actually time that. Motor hour meter, outboard hour meter. I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna put it on this book.
It's on Amazon.
Okay, real quick question, because I heard all kinds of different things, and obviously talking to a professional can answer this perfectly. What should you not do when breaking in a motor like this?
Okay. First things first, don't right out of the bat run it wide open.
Okay.
Just try to keep it in a mid-range, you know, just enough to get your boat up on a plane, and don't
keep it wide open. Okay.
Don't keep it wide open for the first 20 hours.
For the first 20 hours.
After that 20 hours, everything kind of gets settled where it's going to be. That's why you do the oil change after 20. You're looking for shavings, if there's anything wrong in the motor, stuff like that. That's what you're looking for.
Okay.
After your 20-hour break-in, do whatever you want to. When you are going to store it, do not run it dry. There's the old thing with the 2-cycle, with the 2 strokes, that you ran it until there was no fuel in it. Don't do that with this.
That's real bad because it'll seize?
No, you'll blow your fuel pump, which is $400.
Oh.
Don't want to do that.
So don't. So then you would want to put like a fuel stabilizer in there to store it. Yeah. So you would not want to run it dry. So don't run this. Don't run this motor dry then.
No.
Don't ever run it dry.
No.
Okay. That's funny because like I have friends with like I think the 15 horse, brand new 15 horse or fairly new 15 horses, and they run their motor dry every time.
4-stroke? Never.
Yeah, 4-stroke. So never. Okay, that's real important. I did not know that. It's
fuel pump. It has an electric fuel pump, and you will burn it out.
Oh yeah, I don't want to do that.
No,
as long as it's a pain in the ass to drain it anyways.
Yeah.
Like I don't want to. So that's one less thing I have to worry about.
So all you do.
Perfect. All right.
Park it. When you're getting ready to store it for any length of time. Gas tank. Add in Startron and Stabil.
Startron and Stabil together?
I'll write them down here.
Okay.
Yeah, you put them both in. You can't overdo it on the Startron ever. You only run 87 octane in this.
Only 87.
Don't need premium. Don't ever use premium.
What does that do? What does Startron do specifically every time you fill up the tank?
Startron is an enzyme treatment to counteract the ethanol.
The ethanol specifically, okay. And ethanol is the only thing that can really damage the motor.
It eats up the inside linings of the hoses, and that gets into your fuel system and screws everything up. So we don't want that.
So we always run Startron.
Yes.
I know, and they have the Startrons. That blue bottle always has the little per unit measurements.
But
okay.
Don't follow the per unit.
Don't follow the per unit
Just
measure.
Dump it
Just
in.
dump it in there.
Yes. Well, I'm gonna have to get somebody to.
I'll lift it off.
Get Shiloh over.
To be like 50 horse, they get started a little heavy there. You got to start watching those. Perfect.
Have fun.
I will. I'll definitely enjoy the peace of mind knowing it's not gonna die on me.
No.
Like, yeah, it's just gonna be an unstoppable motor. What an experience. How awesome were the staff here letting me know all of that. Now I absolutely have no excuse if I screw this motor up. But I don't think I will. A lot of good things, a lot of good rumors and myths like gone, a lot of misinterpretations through mixed advice that I've gotten over time. So they gave you all the tips on exactly how to take care of that motor. That's epic. I'm so happy. I can't wait to put this thing on my smoker craft and then blast off and enjoy the season. The first major upgrade of many to come. Wait for that.